To start out, you just push the English flag. That shows you the map overall. Here are the two lines, dark green and light green. You can put your finger on an area and it'll zoom up. And the yellow color will indicate where you are. We're going to go to the boat dock, so I need to go to the east 2 notches. To go 2 rungs over, this tells me that the card fare is 16, but if I select 2, it multiplies it by 2, gives me the 32 total. Pay by the Weiqi from China, or you pay by putting coins in. These are each the 10 baht coins. The machine takes 1, 2, 5, and 10 baht coins, but it does not take bills. So you insert your coins here, it gives you a card. You have to know which direction you're going to. So remember the terminal stations and the next station. Those are the 2 keys. Safan Taksin has a link to the boat. You get on the blue boat to go up and down the river to see the best sights of Bangkok. The trick to getting off a metro is follow everybody else. Where you see everyone else going, that's where you go. Here's the place where you would buy a ticket to get on the boat. The boat takes you up and down Bangkok River, and most of the tourist sites are right there by Bangkok River. Here's the structure to the walking system. You usually have a really big city, and then there's an overpass for walking. And you can see a whole lot of taxis will just sit there and line up and wait for somebody to flag them down. That's the way to get around in Bangkok.